Distributive property, integer coefficients. So I've picked this particular example because a lot of students can understand the concept of having the number in front, but sometimes it's kind of difficult with that individual number in the back. So we're going to do this problem, and this would be similar, again, if the number was in the front. And so I am going to go from our -8, and I'm distributing, or I'm going to be multiplying. Let me get my pen here to cooperate a little bit better. I'm going to multiply by a -6. And notice where I put that arrow. I put it by the sign so that way I can make sure that I don't forget that. Because if mistakes or errors are going to happen, it's going to be with the signs. Okay, so -6 times -8 gets us 48. Okay, now I'm going to switch colors just so you can see. And again, I'm starting with the -8. And I'm going to draw my arrow over here. And the purpose is so I don't forget anything. So -8 times 5 gets me -40. And carry down that W. Okay, don't forget your variables along the way. Again, I'm going to switch colors so that way you can see. I'm going from -8 times 3. So that gets me -24. And again, carry down that V. Okay, now the same thing would happen if we had -8 in front. So I'm going to write the problem over here real quick, just so that way you can see. Maybe my pen's a little not cooperating. So again, you would do the same thing. -8 times -6 gets us 48. And all you would do is distribute. Remember, distribute means you're multiplying that number that's on the outside to everything inside those parentheses. Oh, -40 W. And then, come on, pen, -24V. Okay, so either way, whether you have the number in the back or you have the number in the front, remember I use arrows in order to make sure that I don't forget anything, especially those negative signs. Because again, most people get the multiplication correct, but then they forget the signs. So it's very, very important that you carry the signs and you pay attention to your variables.